This is the 96 Ford Thunderbird LX I am selling. It is a 3.8 liter V6, 4-speed automatic with overdrive trans. Body is in great shape. I'm not going to say excellent, but it's in great shape. There's no major dents, no rust marks anywhere or anything on the body. I'll go over with them and show you the problems. On the passenger side door, there's a run mark right here and right there. That's it on the passenger side. All the glass lights and all that work. There's no cracks or anything in them. The driver's side front bumper has a spot where some of the paint was flaking off right here. I just shot that over back with some red Duplicolor. Driver's doors clean except for a couple little rub marks right there. Roof has the typical Ford clear coat coming off. All the back tail lights are there. None of them's cracked. No cracks in any of the body panels. All the glass is solid. There's no cracks or anything in them. Just needs to be cleaned. These are the stock rims. I just painted them black. They don't look bad. I thought it made it look better. Front end does need alignment. The tires don't make that old, but the outside's starting to show wear from where it's out of alignment, but still plenty of miles left on them. The back tires are BF Goodwrench Touring Series Pros. Almost like new. Excellent tire. The hood, it's pretty clean. Like I said, if you read the ad, it says overheated on me. Thermostat was stuck shut. Was able to get it home, but I let it cool down. All that. Just put a new fail-safe thermostat in it. It's got a newer filter. Newer Bosch Ultra Premium plugs, Autolite Platinum spark plugs, alternators, not that old. I don't know if you can see it or not. The oil is still clean, which still could be a head gasket, still couldn't, but only if it's a head gasket, your oil will be real milky. That's not. So could either be a warped head or a small crack in the block or something like that. That's pretty much it here. Under hood light works. Hood stays up by itself. Let me go ahead and get down to the inside. Door panel, there's no cracks, rips in the carpet, everything is the way it should be. Locks work, power locks. On both sides they work. It's got power mirrors. Which both of them works. It's kind of hard to show you on camera, but there's no big cracks or anything in the dash. Like I said, the interior is pretty much, I'd say, almost like new. All the panels are here, everything like that. Back seat, there's no rips, tears, anything like that. Armrest folds down. You got your ashtray in the back. Nice steel leather wrapped steering wheel. All the panels are here. Like I said, it won't come with the radio or speakers. I do have them. Nice setup. I'll include for an even $1,000. glove box attached. Got your cup holders, trunk release, cigarette lighter, ashtray, overdrive on the shifter, all your AC controls, clock works, your electric defroster, traction control button, low coolant light, low fuel light, low washer light. All the air vents are in here. It has 195,000 miles on it, almost 196. Does have the luxury light package, all that, so it has all the lights and the mirrors that work. And both of them. Dome light, both lights work. Like I said, the only problem interior wise is the couple of nicks and scratches in the headliner. That's about it. But it doesn't fall down, doesn't hang. Half the time I didn't even notice it. Got a manual passenger seat, power sliding driver seat. Driver side window, power, comes down no problem, goes up with no problem. Turn signals. Both of them work. Both of them work on the outside. Hazards, headlights, high beams, all that works. Heat works good. AC works, but needs recharged. Glove box. Got the 2 hookups for the radio harness. The book, fall, manuals in it. Walk over here to this side. As you can see, there's one hazard light. This hall lights up. So does this. That one's working. Driver's side door the same way. There's a light down there. All of them work. Window rolls down, no problem. Goes up, no problem. Same one on the passenger side. Needs floor mats clean. Needs a good vacuum. But other than that, it's very clean. Back seat, same way. Show you the trunk. Power trunk release. Also have a key for it. Very big, spacious trunk. Has a donut underneath. I did have a subwoofer in here, so the trunk does have some sound deadener on it. It helps keep it insulated and everything in there too. Lights and plate lights underneath here, both of them work. Everything works on the car. Everything. Even the brake light in the back. But yeah, I really need to sell it. Clear title in my name. Can sign it over same day. If you could make it before EV closes. It has about a quarter tank of gas on it. Or in it. There's your door chime. Yeah, I'm asking $650 cash. Pretty good deal on the car. If you're a mechanic, you know how to do it, or if you got another 3.8 you want to swap in there. I just don't have the time. I know a little bit about cars, but I don't have the time or the funds to do it. So $650 cash, clear title. Sign it over today. I live off Taylor Boulevard, so if you live around the south end of Louisville, you should be able to drive it home. If you live further than that, have a tow dolly or a tow truck, or you can take your chances and try to drive it. Once it's signed over to you, you can do whatever the hell you want to it. Yeah, it's a pretty clean car. Numbers in the ad to get a hold of me, or you could email me. Yeah, $650 cash. Thanks for looking, and have a good day.